One of the most rewarding things about this job is the difference that you make in a student's life.
Obviously they've taken that elective for a reason.
And seeing them make connections and figure out that they actually do have a lot of great ideas and that being at university isn't impossible.
I always have a lot of fun getting their input into what sort of activities they might want to do.
When you show a student that comes in with a low self-confidence the way through university, you're showing them something that's not only going to impact them today, but you're showing them something that's going to impact them for the rest of their life.
It really forces you to think about the difficulties that might be there in learning the material in your discipline. And it really forces you to be more efficient in your own learning.
So my general advice to future facilitators is to really intake the information that you're given in training.
Don't be afraid to make mistakes. I was super nervous coming into this position, standing up in front of a crowd of about 20 to 30 students. But I found out quickly that the students are very forgiving. You know, be genuine. And let the students know what you're about, why you're here.
Be yourself. There's no cookie cutter mold for being a facil.